Looking for a smartwatch in 2025? Whether you're deep into fitness tracking, health insights, or just want your wrist to look extra smart, I've got you covered. Today we're comparing 7 of the most talked about smartwatches out right now. From the elite Apple Watch to budget-friendly options like the GRV. Let's break down what's worth your money, what's overhyped, and what might just surprise you. Oh, and don't forget, links to all smartwatches mentioned is right in this video description. Let's roll. First up, the Apple Watch Series 10, Apple's sleekest and smartest watch yet. You're getting up to 30% more screen space, a thinner and lighter build, and quick 30-minute charging to hit 80%, but it's not just pretty. You can take an ECG, track ovulation estimates, monitor overnight vitals, and now, with sleep apnea detection, it's basically your nighttime health assistant. Need fitness? It brings the heat with new training load metrics and depth sensors for swimmers. Plus built-in crash detection, emergency SOS, and precision finding for your iPhone. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, this watch just slots in perfectly. The downside? It's Apple. Premium experience, premium price. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Classic where style meets smart. That iconic rotating bezel is back, and the bigger display makes it feel like a luxury timepiece that just happens to be loaded with tech. You're getting over 90 workout modes, snore detection, personalized heart rate zones, and even full body composition analysis with the BIA sensor. It syncs seamlessly with Galaxy phones, music, calls, camera control, you name it. Plus, swapping bands is easier than ever, so style points are basically infinite. Downside? If you're not on Android, you're missing out on the full experience. Garmin Venu 3S is the quiet powerhouse in this lineup. With up to 10 days of battery, you'll charge it less and wear it more. It's all about energy tracking, body battery monitors stress, sleep, naps, and workouts to help you know when to rest or push. You also get phone calls, voice replies, and a dedicated wheelchair mode, making it one of the most inclusive options around. It's fitness forward with a polished look and packs a bunch of training insights, all-day health data, and music storage on board. It's not flashy like an Apple Watch, but it's dependable and made for people who care about what's under the hood. The Garmin Forerunner 55 is for runners who want serious tools without the serious price. Built-in GPS, heart rate tracking, suggested workouts, and Pace Pro pacing strategy make it a personal coach on your wrist. The battery lasts up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode or 20 hours with GPS active. It lacks some advanced features and isn't a smartwatch in the notification juggling sense. But for tracking your runs and recovery, it's rock solid. Fitbit Sense 2 is a wellness-first smartwatch. Stress management is front and center with continuous EDA. Plus, you get ECG, SpO2, sleep tracking with a smart alarm, and even a mindfulness mode. Fitbit's sleep profiles are genuinely useful, and with a 6+ day battery, you're not chained to a charger. You've also got built-in GPS, 40+ exercise modes, Bluetooth calls, Alexa, Google Maps, and Fitbit Pay. But to unlock its full potential, you'll want Fitbit Premium, which, yep, costs extra. Pixel Watch 2 blends Fitbit health tracking with Google Smartness. The new heart rate sensor plus AI gives insanely accurate results. And the body response feature flags signs of stress in real time. It plays nice with Google Apps, Calendar, Gmail, Maps, and Fast Pair keeps everything in sync across Pixel devices. Fall detection, emergency SOS, and safety check add a layer of peace of mind. Battery life? A full 24 hours with always-on display. It's still not for hardcore athletes, but as a daily lifestyle watch, it's slick and intuitive. The GRV Smartwatch is your no-frills budget option, and honestly, for the price, it's impressive. It tracks 100+ sports modes, monitors heart rate, SpO2, and sleep, and lets you take calls and read messages straight from your wrist. You even get customizable faces and IP68 waterproofing. It's not winning any design awards, and the health data won't rival Apple or Garmin. But if you want a solid fitness tracker under $50, it does the job. So what's the verdict? Want a luxury experience and the most polished integration? Go with the Apple Watch Series 10 or Galaxy Watch 6 depending on your OS. If fitness is your main mission, Garmin Venue 3S or Forerunner 55 are no-brainers. Wellness warrior? The Fitbit Sense 2 nails stress and sleep tracking. Android power user? The Pixel Watch 2 is your natural match. On a tight budget? GRV Smartwatch punches well above its weight. Alright, that's the full lineup. 7 smartwatches, 1 wrist, 0 excuses. Whether you're closing your rings, chasing a personal best, or just flexing digital watch faces in meetings, there's something here for everyone. If this video helped you narrow things down even a little, go ahead and smash that like button like it's your morning alarm. Got a favorite? Or maybe one you think is totally overrated? Drop your hot takes in the comments. I'll be lurking down there with popcorn. Oh, and if you're the kind of person who impulse buys tech at 2 a.m., don't worry, I left all the links below so you can do that guilt-free. Subscribe if you want more honest tech breakdowns, smartwatch showdowns, and the occasional rant about why your sleep score is always garbage even though you were in bed for 9 hours. This has been your Smartwatch Spirit Guide. Thanks for watching, stay charged, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.